Okay, so in this video, I just kind of want to show you some of the tools that you have available when you're in the online environment up here. So one of the things we have is we have a bookmark option, but what we're going to want to do here is let me look at the let's just say I select something, right? And I'm not sure if that's right. I can then hit bookmark so that I can come back to it later and review, and it'll jump right back to that spot. One tool that I kind of like that's nice is this last one. It's called the elimination tool. So if you know that you can like eliminate certain answers, you can use that just to cross them out. Obviously, you can't cross out your answer. If you do that, it'll deselect it. So you can select and deselect. Now, in this practice one, I have to select one to move on. So I'm just going to select A. I don't even know if that's right. But and remember, the calculator is right here. That's the calculator tool. This is just a notepad where you can just kind of type some notes, maybe take some notes down and they will stick with that page then. So then when you go back, you can see that note that you wrote down. And then the review option, you can jump right to a specific question then in the problem. So if I want to go to, question 7, I can just click on that and I can go right to the question, or I can go to the bookmark question, which let's say if I look at, I can see that I had a bookmark on this question right here. So it's just a way to kind of navigate through the whole process here. There is going to be an option when you first log on to check your sound. Now this is if you have headphones that you've brought along to have it read to you. Then over here, you would be able to then let it read the actual problem to you. Okay. And then you can change the settings, the volume. If you wanted a different voice.
Item was buried at the midpoint of the segment connecting the bull and the tool. She suspected that an item was buried.
You could go faster or slower.
At which position on her
and there you go. Okay, so that's the sound piece. The sound piece you'd have to actually set up right away though if you're going to use it. And you'd have to also have headphones, because if you don't, then you're not going to be able to use the sound, because it's going to be disruptive to other students in the class. Those are the features of the online testing environment.